BFT Alpha Control Board DIP Switch Settings. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain the BFT Alpha Control Board DIP switch settings in a very simple way. If you're confused about when to turn on or OFF each switch, this video will make it crystal clear. What is DIP switch? First, let's understand what a DIP switch is. A DIP switch is a small manual switch on the control board used to change system behavior. On means the function is activated, and off means the function is disabled. Note: always power off the board before changing DIP switches to avoid damage. DIP switch functions explained. DIP switch 1. TCA, automatic closing. On. Gate will close automatically after a set time. Off. No automatic closing, manual operation only. Use on when you want the gate to close by itself after opening. DIP switch 2. Photocell logic. This controls how safety sensors work. On. Photocells work only during closing. Off. Photocells work during both opening and closing. For maximum safety, keep this OFF. DIP switch 3. BLI block impulses. This controls command interruptions. On. No new command accepted during opening. Off. You can give commands anytime. Use on to avoid accidental interruptions. DIP switch 4. 3-step or 4-step logic. This controls how the remote button behaves. On. 3-step. By every new command open, next command stop, and again command close. Off. 4-step. Open stop, close stop. Choose based on user preference. DIP switch 5. Code type fixed or rolling. This is for remote control security. On. Fixed code. Off. Rolling code. Always use OFF for better security. DIP switch 6. Radio learn mode. This is for programming remotes without opening the panel. On. Enable remote learning via radio. Off. Manual programming only. Turn on if you want quick, remote programming. DIP switch 7. SCA output function. This controls output relay function. On. Gate open warning light. Off. Second radio channel. Use on if you need extra remote control function. Dip switch 8. Fast close. This controls fast closing feature. On. Gate closes immediately after vehicle passes photocell. Off. Normal delay closing. Use on for faster traffic flow.